Yes, Namaste children. Yesterday we were doing the monkey and the crocodile part 1 and today we are going to do part 2. All of you open your Pact with the Sun page number 22 and take a pencil as usual, underline the difficult words, find out the meanings and use them. Okay? Yes. Now we have completed till up father. From there we will continue now. Yes, open your books everyone. The crocodile was in a serious dilemma. He loved his wife and was very fond of his friend too. Finally, he decided to be on the side of his wife. She was his life partner after all. I know it's a sin to betray a friend, but I have no choice, he said to himself. I'll invite the monkey home and hope for the best. So now the crocodile was in a dilemma. Doesn't know what to do, whether to go with the wife's words or to save the friend. So it was thinking, it was in a confusion. It doesn't want to, it was unable to decide with whose words shall it go. So as it was thinking, then it was cracked with an idea. It got one idea that after all, this wife is its life partner. If it goes away, no one will be there to take care of his children. So what it thought, it decided to take the side of the wife and it planned to kill the monkey. So how it planned? It start off to go to the monkey and invite it for a dinner so that the monkey will come. When the monkey comes, then the thing will happen. So how the monkey will come, whether the crocodile succeeds in its plan or not, we'll see in the next paragraph. My wife wants you over for a meal, dear friend, said the crocodile when he visited the monkey nest. Next, you must come home with me today. With pleasure, said the monkey. I am no swimmer, but I can ride on your back. And they set out. In the middle of the river, where the current was the strongest, the crocodile could no longer hide his intention. Sorry, my friend, he said hesitatingly, but I have to go underwater now. I have brought you here to kill you. My wife cannot survive without eating your heart. Goodbye. So what happened? The crocodile, what was its plan? Its plan was to kill the monkey and take that flesh to give it to his wife. The wife wants the heart of the monkey. So slowly it went to the monkey and it told that, oh my dear friend, now I am very happy. All these days you are serving me very delicious fruits. Now it's time for me to invite you for my home. So my wife invited you today for a meal today. Please come. So the monkey was also very happy and it felt sorry also because it said that I cannot swim. I am not a good swimmer, but I can climb on your back and we can go to your home. So that they planned and they started going in the river. As they were moving in the middle of the river, the strong wind started blowing. When the strong wind started blowing, the crocodile cannot swim on the layers on the upper surface of the river. It has to go deep into the water. If the crocodile goes deep into the water, the monkey will drown in the water. So what it said, now the crocodile was a good friend after all. You see children, good friends will never cheat. That point you understand here. So the crocodile, though it was listening to the words of its wife, but it doesn't want to cheat the monkey. So what was the intention of calling the monkey to their home? It told to the monkey. Now monkey was thunderstruck. Thunderstruck means extremely shocked. Now what the monkey will plan, we will see now. The monkey was thunderstruck. He knew his life was in danger. He kept his cool and persuaded the crocodile on a pretext to swim back to the tree. He decided then to discontinue his friendship with the crocodile. Let's see what will happen. The monkey was scared and distressed, but he was sensible and clever like all monkeys. He kept a cool head. Calmly, he said, I could do anything for you and your family. You are my only friend. After all, what is a monkey's heart compared with the life of a crocodile's wife? But how foolish could you be? Why didn't you tell me before? I would have brought my heart along. But where is your heart? Asked the crocodile innocently. I thought you carried it all the time. Of course not. It's there on the tree. Let's swim back at once and get it. Your wife must be waiting, replied the monkey, gaining confidence. Oh dear, what a mistake, hissed the crocodile. They laughed loudly as the crocodile took a full turn to reach the tree. See, children, honest people are true people. If anyone tries to cheat, the God will help them out, and that they will come out of that hurdle at any cost of time, at any point of time. You cannot cheat the true people. That time you may cheat, but other time you may be cheated by somebody else. The crocodile, when as soon as it told to the monkey that, oh my dear, so the monkey was thunderstruck. It was totally depressed. It became so sad and it could not get any idea in its mind. But that is the time where you should think wisely. So the monkey did the same. The monkey just relaxed for himself and it started thinking very coolly. As it started thinking, then an idea flashed in its mind. It said that, oh my dear friend, you are such a friend, you are my great friend and you are my only friend. Why did you not tell me before I coming on to the water? I kept my heart on the tree. My heart is not of any value. I can give my whole body to your wife. But what is the value of this little heart? But unfortunately, the heart is on the tree. If you could take me to the tree, I'll get back the heart for your wife. So this foolish crocodile, it trusted the monkey and it said that, okay my dear friend. They laughed loudly and both of them again they took a turn and they went back to the mango tree. Then what happens? We will see. Turn the page, everyone. On the river bank, the monkey jumped onto the tree and heaved a deep sigh of relief. He plucked a fruit or two from the nearest branch and throwing them down said, let your wife have some fruit rather than my heart. Fresh fruits are good for mind and body. Goodbye, friend, and if you don't mind, we won't meet again. The crocodile, sadder and wiser, shed a few tears which were genuine and turned back to go home. He was in a hurry to tell his wife a thing or two. See, children, how intelligent the monkey is. It said that my heart is on the tree, and it went, and as soon as it went, he heaved onto the tree, means it very quickly jumped. It took an extreme high jump to the mango tree and it wanted to save its life. And as soon as it reached the mango tree, it started plucking the mangoes and it started throwing to the crocodile, and it was saying that, let your wife have some fruits. I am giving these fruits. Let your wife have some fruit. These fruits are good for health as well as mind. So instead of my heart, if she eats my heart, no, it is not at all useful for its health. So better you give her these mangoes. And my dear crocodile, please, this is our last day. Hereafter, if you wish, you can come, but You are a goodbye to you, my friend. If you wish, I think I don't mind. I don't mind means the monkey is free to the crocodile. Though it has done it has cheated the monkey, but still what it is saying, don't mind, we won't meet again. What it is saying, it's saying that don't mind, if you can, you come, otherwise don't mind, you no need to come again. Our friendship, this is the end of our friendship. And it said that please don't try to come to meet me. So the crocodile, it started shedding some tears. It was so sad, and as well as the monkey was very wise. And from there, the monkey and the crocodile, they left. Sorry, the monkey was there on the tree, and the crocodile went from there, and it was very much eager to tell the story to its wife. The story is adopted from the Panchatantra stories now. So, what is the moral of the story? We should think wisely. When there is a problem, definitely a solution will be there. Only thing is you have to think on it, then only you can find out the solution. Don't take hasty decision. Understand, all of you? Hope you have all understood. After this, I will be sending the question and answers hereafter. You have to complete the notes before the day, the stipulated date I have given, and send to me. Thank you, ma. Have a good day.